I got this barrel pump and it was froze up. So I got the vise and pipe wrenches. And it's got a check valve on bottom, it's working. And now I got the handle working. I got some rain barrels. I want to pump the water out, be able to put in like the fish tanks and stuff. So that's what I'm doing this afternoon, working on a vintage barrel pump. Got the barrel pump going. I love water pumps. I worked on water wells, water pumps, windmills for my dad. Anything with water and pump I like. Now I have a barrel pump. I found a piece of hose that was no good, but now you can see I'm filling a bucket. Oh, now the packing's leaking. Gotta tighten that packing up, put some packing in it. Just got done putting all tools away, it wasn't leaking before.